for my soul. Again matters which words lead us home. When the end will not reveal its face, I guess I will rest in palms of grace. Am I lost or found, or am I just here waiting around until someone comes and tells me it's okay to move, and I'll take another step toward you. Taste like wine, yeah, you taste like wine. You taste like wine. I can't find those vines. Was a path one my feet made clear? Was it laid out long before I appeared? Each new love feels the same as before, yet each old one keeps me longing for more. Is this all that we get, or is there something that we forget?